I'm Ankit Bansal, and welcome back to the channel. This is agent number 2, a product listing and SEO agent in Node.js. Drop in a product and a few specs, and it writes a complete, optimized listing, running on a local model with no API keys. Here's how it works. The browser sends the product to an express agent. It calls two tools, keyword research and your brand voice, then makes one local LLM call in forced-JSON mode that writes the whole listing. The structured data schema is built deterministically, so it's always valid for Google. Here's the listing agent. Drop in a product and a few raw specs. It researches keywords, loads your brand voice, then writes a full SEO listing, title, description, bullets, tags, a meta description, and valid structured data. Different product, same result in seconds, fully optimized and ready for Google-rich results. So that's a real product listing and SEO agent, keyword and brand-aware copy, valid structured data, fully local, no API keys. The code is in the description. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned, because in the next video we'll build the next agent on the list. See you there.